Hey guys, Josh Ismore here with a very quick video to talk to you about a very special bonus that I've decided to put together for the final 48 hours of the offline revenue system launch. Now, if you haven't yet checked out the offline revenue system out, make sure you do so at the link below. This is truly one of those unique products that comes around every once in a while that truly changes the game. Okay, you're getting a brand new service that local businesses are willing and happily paying $300 a pop for. Okay, you're getting a software that finds those exact businesses that are perfect for this service, and you're getting the full training on how to offer this service and how to fulfill this service quickly and easily so you can continue doing it over and over and over again. Okay, but I've decided to make it even better. Okay, so for the final 48 hours, what I've decided to do is throw in my Surplify platform for you as a bonus for the last 2 days. Okay, but you do have to get in before the 12th, and we've been working on Surplify over the last few months as well to improve it and make it even better once we release the 2.0 version in 2021. Okay, and we have truly stepped the game up when it comes to automated niche site rankings for either specific keywords or specific locations or both. Okay, and one of the biggest updates that we've done to Surplify is the fact that now you can rank for any location in the entire world. Okay, any niche, any location in the entire world. And you can see here I'm already inside of one of my test projects, but you can see here we have expanded our database, which took us a long time and very expensive, to cover the entire world. Okay, every country, every state, every city, every county, every zip code that you can think of is in here. Okay, you can see every single country that you can think of is in here. Okay, from top to bottom, from A to Z, no matter where you are in the world, you can now use Surplify to rank locally, or even anywhere, any other local city or zip code that you want. Okay, so this is one of the biggest updates that we've done. Now Surplify, I think, is the only platform of its kind that allows you to automatically rank for everywhere in the world. Okay, obviously I have the US here that you can open up, and you can see once you open up the country, it breaks it up by states. So I'm in Florida. Once I type into Florida, it then takes me into each city in Florida. Okay, so these are some of the cities here in South Florida. Okay, but I can literally target any city that I want. And if I come into the Coconut Grove, it then gives me the specific zip codes within that city. So you can get really targeted, fast rankings with this for anywhere in the world. Okay, so this is one of the biggest updates that we've had in here. So if I go ahead and just select a few of these. So Bal Harbour is a city that we used to live in. So if I could just select that. So this is one of the cities that we used to live in, or close to. Okay, so if I select that, you can see there's only one zip code in that. It is a very small area on the beach. Okay, lots of more affluent people live there as well. We used to live near Aventura as well. All right, and you can see there's 3 zip codes here, so I'll select those. All right, and then once you're done selecting the areas that you want Surplify to rank for, then you can come over here and click next. Now, of course, I've already connected my sites on here, so the site that this is going to be creating a ranking for is already connected, but we cover that in the tutorials and how to set that up. So this is just to show you how powerful this is and how awesome it works with the offline revenue system, so that not only will you be able to offer that $300 service, but then you can offer local automated rankings with Surplify as well. But like I said, you can also use this for niche sites, since we added the ability for you to mix keywords with locations or just keywords. Okay, so if you don't want to use any location and you want to just do affiliate niche sites, then you'll see how you can skip that when you get to the content site. But here is where you can enter the keywords that you want to rank for. So let's say best plumber. Okay, and what's going to happen is you'll be able to mix and match the locations with the keywords once you get to the content. Okay, so the best plumber in best plumbing company, for example. All right, And here you can see enter the keywords you want to rank for here. This can work in conjunction or independently of geolocation. So for example, you can have 10 keywords entered, maximum of 10 posts, one for each keyword, okay? But then you can have 10 zip codes selected, 10 keywords entered, and then it'll be a maximum of 100 posts. Surplify will automatically make 10 posts for each location using all the 10 keywords, okay? So depending on how many keywords you have here and how many locations you have here, Surplify will create a post for each keyword for each location, okay? So once you have that selected, we go next, and here is pretty much where the magic happens, okay? So this is where you can tell Surplify, okay, I want you to rank for, the city, the zip code, and also the keyword, okay? So I went ahead and actually manually entered the keyword here, but if I go ahead and remove this part, and I could just put keyword. This is one update that we also did now. So you saw that before I had to manually enter my keyword. Now I can just enter the keyword tag like here, and Surplify will automatically know the keywords that I'm looking to rank for because I put them here in the keywords tag. So now it's going to mix through those three that I put, or however many keywords you put there, and then it's going to combine it with the cities and the zip codes that I selected under geolocation. So it's going to make a post for each and every one of those, okay? And here, when you enter your information here, you're going to use the same thing. So you can see here that here is the location tags. So what I can do is I can go ahead and remove this, which is before I used to have to put in my keyword manually and then just put in the keyword tag. Okay, so now Surplify is going to automatically insert the keyword here that I inputted here, and it's going to also input the cities and the zip code. So every single post that gets published on my website is going to be fully automated with the information that I'm inputting. So this is literally done for you niche site rankings, okay? You just have to set up these projects and Surplify does it all for you, okay? And obviously you can see that I do have spin tags here, so every piece of content that goes to my site is unique, okay? And we are integrated with Spin Rewriter. You can also have images, so random images get put into your blog post as well. So you can see here I have 12 images. And you can also have videos selected in there. You can also have your own videos to be put into there. So if I just click open, you can see here that you can search, and you can either search by keyword or you can actually input a video URL and add your own video, okay? So it allows you to Surplify automatically optimizes it. It adds media to the blog post, so everything is being done for you, okay? And then you can even input your meta information. So you can see here this project was done before the update, so I had to input my target keyword here, but now you just have to do the keyword tag and it's going to automatically do it for you, okay? And from here, you can also add business schema if you're using that for local rankings. You can also post interlink the keywords. So if you have different other posts within this blog site or this niche site, or you want to for Surplify to interlink the actual post is going to make, then you can set that up here and you can connect, you can create interlinking within your sites automatically with Surplify. Okay, and then once you're done here, you click next. We also have syndication built into Surplify. So you can see here we have all of these. Obviously, we use Synlab since that is the platform that we created. So you can also come in here and automatically syndicate your blog posts, okay? So you can also enable indexing if you have an indexing account, okay? For 2.0, we will be having this done for you as well, okay? You can see I do have a backlinks indexer account. If I click next, here is where you can set up the schedule. All right, so you can see there's going to be a total of 164 posts that Surplify is going to do for me hands-free based on the keywords that I've selected and the locations that I've selected. So this is 164 fully optimized blog posts that Surplify is going to do for me, okay? And again, it can be for any location, any keyword in the entire world, okay? And then from here, you can do the schedule to be from a minimum or maximum per day, and you set that up in the project. That's why it's saying that it cannot be changed once the project has been started. So this project has been already begun. So when you set up the schedule type, you do that at the beginning, and then, you do that here when you're first starting the project. But once you already set up the project, then you can't really change this. But if it's a brand new project, then you can go ahead and change the different schedule types that you want. Okay, but here I'm doing a minimum of 3 posts per day and a maximum of 7, so that everything looks nice and natural. And that's from here. Just click next, and that's it. Surplify is going to go out there and automatically create 164 blog posts for me. But not just that, it's going to syndicate each one as well. Okay, so if I come here to the drone repair, you can see that this was not only posted but syndicated, posted to my site and syndicated. Okay, and you can see hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of blog posts that Surplify has done for me. Okay, so you can get this again as a bonus for the next 48 hours for picking up offline revenue system. And I have not offered Surplify as a bonus for a very long time, because again, we have been working on it in the background to make it better, to release 2.0 version in 2021. However, if you pick up the offline revenue system over the next 48 hours, you can get this for free. So go ahead and click the link right below this video.